Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Google Chrome web browser is not offering to save passwords or it's just not saving passwords. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then select mo lang dito yung profile. Ito siya, so click mo lang dito. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung key, ito siya, yung may round, tapos may key dito sa gitna, so click mo lang ito. And then ito yung tinatawag na password manager. So dito lang sa left side, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, ay makita mo kaagad dito yung offer to save passwords para ma-fix yung problem. So kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on or enable lang natin to. So click mo lang itong button nito. Ayan, so na-enable na siya or na-turn on. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Google Chrome not saving passwords on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.